So what's up, guys? Today we got Austin's bike up here again. We're gonna replace this, put something different on there, make it look a little bit nicer, and we're finally gonna take off his slick.
Yeah, that thing is a slick. Look at that. And bald as bald could be. Even got like little chunks coming out down here. You can definitely tell when I get on it. Oh, stoplight. I'm just sliding around.
So we're gonna be messing around with that. We plan on riding tomorrow, so we can work on that. And for this, we do got parts. We're just waiting for the rest of them to come, so it don't look all goofy and whatnot while we're putting it together and trying to stage it all. So they all should be here in the next few weeks, hopefully. I think that's about it. Let's get it. And don't forget about the website, Instagram, YouTube. No shit.
Yeah, we're on the YouTube right now.
So yeah, Instagram, website, show some support. We enjoy it.
Don't forget hats. We've been selling a bunch, so make sure you get in on yours before they're all gone. I don't know when we'll have more out or ready, but yeah. And then hopefully we come out with, well, we have t-shirts for the summer already, huh?
Yeah.
We'll have to drop something for the summer. Something else.
Cut off button-ups.
Cut off button-ups? Not everybody's a redneck like you.
I need another shirt so I can make one.
But anyways, you ready?
Yeah, let's get it.
All right. All right. So we're beginning to be specialists at buying the wrong parts. So I'm going to have to run this one until I buy the right one. So we'll just throw that one aside. COVID. But set that one aside for now because it's for an 08. The ones for these are for 86 to 07. Good. But still need to get the rear wheel off, so we'll work on that for now. You've seen it before on the project bike, but to get the rear wheel off, you gotta take the little keeper. Yeah, the keeper off here. Take your nut off, which we do have the right sockets for those this time. But then you pull, hopefully, let's see. The lowering kit might be in the way. You see that, Ken? Lowering kit sits right on the
You have to undo the structure and everything anyways.
Oh, you do?
So you have the belt.
So, bottom ones or top?
You have to do the bottom one to get it out of the way.
Okay.
So you gotta do these, set it up out of the way. So you got to listen these ones too.
Why?
So it slides. Will it pivot when it's tightened up?
Yeah, it pivots when it's tightened up. But, so, the axle should come this way, right? Mm-hmm. So we won't even have to mess with that nut. Just keep it tight so it doesn't spin. And then take the lowering kit off here. And then once we get the shocks off, the wheel will drop down into our fancy little hole here for wheel changing. And then we'll go get that changed tomorrow. And we'll get the video of putting it all back together. So, yeah. So, Had to break out our big boy 3/4 inch drive set for the axle nuts there. And it's a 30, well, close to a 36. We don't have the SAE numbers, but
It should be exactly 36, so don't move very much.
okay. Well, sounds like it's 36, so pretty sure you have to do the other side, Ken.
You're probably right. Yeah.
Yeah, like I was saying. But yeah, we'll cut you the iPad here. And I'll hold the Harley so it doesn't fall over. Oh, he got it, never mind. There you go. Good job, good job. So, big mistake we made on that Harley was cutting the belt when it's pretty easy just to get it off. Well, we weren't taking off the rear wheel, were we? We were just pulling straight tranny.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, that's a $200 mess up, just so you know. But obviously we're gonna want to put a new one on that. But got the string arm all disconnected from the suspension here. And make sure all your spacers and bushings and all your whatever these things are, you keep on the right side. But here's a look at the tire. It's pretty bald. I mean, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't take long to start seeing wires through those little areas that are losing chunks of rubber, like right here. Can you see that on camera right there? Yeah. I'm pretty sure next layer is tire wire. So definitely don't drive in the mountains enough. Look at all that good tread on the outside. But yeah, let's see. The new tire's right over here. And this right here. White walls, of course, to match the front. And then...
Kinda-ish. Your white wall's kinda dirty.
Yeah, and then obviously that was blue, but it'll match before too long. It is a little bit smaller than stock, but that's literally all I could find anywhere unless I wanted to wait 2 months to get another one. So, which will help with my lowering kit, because the tread's not going to be as tall. As you can see, or as you saw, that was weird. Got the Shinko for front and rear for the project. I got a Shinko on the front here on this bike. Kanan's got a Shinko, and then our dad also runs Shinko. So you can pretty much say we live by Shinko on the bikes. I mean, I know there's plenty of people out there that don't like them, but with the horror stories that we've heard about the Dunlops, we go Shinko. Plus, they have a great white wall. I don't know who else makes a white wall. Michelin, maybe?
I don't know.
Don't know. But white wall is the biggest reason we go with Shinko. I mean, obviously, the project bike doesn't have it, but yeah.
You couldn't fit it on there. It's a rubber band.
Yeah. And then I don't think white walls would look good with that rim setup. I think black walls are perfect for that one. But yeah, so the Shinko 777s. So if you need to buy tires for your Harley and kind of contemplating, these are greatly priced. I mean, for the 21 here, which I'm gonna need a new one here soon on the front, but for a dual disc front rim and tire was like $350. I mean, it's an economy rim, but I haven't flattened it in a pothole yet, so I'm not too worried about it. Shinko's a great price. They give a smooth ride. They're quiet. Anybody that I know that's run them doesn't complain about them. They only have good things to say. And for this one, I'll probably get 2 riding seasons out of this one. I'll probably have to replace it this time next year, so we'll make sure we get that on video too. But so make sure you guys stick around. They do come in reinforced. They're tubeless. Even this one's tubeless with the spokes, and it don't leak. So what brand is that? King Spoke?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a King Spoke. Amazon specials. We don't try to put top dollar stuff on just because we can afford it, and we like to spread our money, spread the love for the bikes. But yeah, we'll get this mounted tomorrow while I'm at work, and then get it on, and hopefully we can record some of the ride tomorrow night for you guys. So the video will be up probably Sunday. Sunday. Well, today's Friday, but it'll be Sunday for you guys. Yeah. So we'll continue tomorrow when I get off.